our dolls could use a good night's sleep, but they just can't seem to get any shut-eye. Because their eyes are open. So we have come up with a way to temporarily close our doll's eyes. And we have 2 volunteers for the procedure. For this project, I am using white school glue, flesh tone acrylic paints, maybe a little color if you would like to add eyeshadow, and a fine paintbrush. I start by covering my doll's hair to keep it out of the way. I'm just using a small piece of a t-shirt. And I changed her into some PJs so we don't have to worry about that later. It's a Care Bear pajama party. Get a little bit of white school glue and paint a thin coat over the eyes and eyelids, covering the top eyelashes and everything. I'm just really careful not to go past that bottom line on the eye. Then allow them to dry. Then I mix a little acrylic paint into the glue, and you want to make sure that it is mixed well. Then very carefully paint the mixture over the doll's eye, taking care to avoid the bottom lashes. I want thin, even coats so we don't get any bubbling. And I can see now that I'm going to need a second coat because I can see through it, but I'm going to allow this to dry first. So I work on the other eye. On my next layer, I'm going to add a little pink and try to match the skin tone a little better. Just make sure the paint always has the glue mixed in. I'm working quickly so that my glue doesn't dry. Use black paint and glue for a little eyeliner, then allow them to dry. They look like they could use a pillow. And once it's dried, your dolls can finally get a little shut-eye. Then when it's morning and it's time for the dolls to wake, just peel off the eyelid and she's ready to start her day. And as for the used eyelid, you can glue it back on a few more times using a tiny bit of glue, then place the eyelid back on. Thank you for joining us while we made doll eyelids. Wow, that sounds so weird. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done. Happy crafting!
To ourselves so we can clean the house or clear out some shelves. You said whichever you feel like doing first. I said, well, I don't know about that. 'Cause it's my lazy day, just wanna lazy away. Ain't gonna do a thing for the rest of the day. You can try.
We want to give a shout out to Baxter with Izzy. What's up? Be quiet, or you'll wake up a human. Now come on, we gotta find where she hides the candy.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much.